Hi, good morning. I am Nisar Mulani. My daughter Mehar Mulani passed out NEET in 2021, and her score was not so good. So I was really worried whether she has chances to get an admission into MBBS. So during as a very concerned parent, I did a lot of net surfing, and then I came to know about MBBS Council. So I just registered myself, and immediately I got a call from one of the counselors. From that day I registered till my daughter Mehar got an admission. MBBS Council and its Counsellor gave me such a splendid experience. They helped me, at each and every stage, at the number of times I contacted them. Especially, I would like to take name of Mr. Ragupathy, who has been my counselor. And he really helped me at every stage. Sometimes I used to miss timelines for a given state or a given category. He even went ahead and he helped me to do the registrations and complete the formalities, or he would give me well in advance what is the requirement to be completed. He used to give me reminders on one-on-one basis that this has to be done today, this has to be completed before 4 p.m. and we did that. And to my satisfaction and my great pleasure, with their guidance, my daughter got admission in MBBS on merit, in first merit list. Yes, to mention categorically, my daughter's score was 312. It was not a good score, on which one could really think about MBBS admission. But just because of MBBS Council, their weekly parents videos and their interaction and the information they gave the right information at right time. And this is one of the sites I found. They were not greedy behind money. They didn't ever said me that you pay this, then we'll give you service, you pay this in advance and then we'll give you. They said that you please go through our videos, please attend the seminars. If you find value addition, then we'll go ahead. So that kind of professional approach, and even during the seminars where parents have not taken certain services, but they did answer their queries. So going ahead, I would definitely recommend MBBS Council to my friends and somebody who's interested to definitely take these services, and not only for graduation, also for post graduation. And my best wishes with MBBS Council and their team and the parents who are seeking admission for their kids in MBBS. Wish you all the best. Thank you so much.